Stop by and take a look at the 2016
Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features.
This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, front-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.